Hello, in this video we're going to introduce the Floe Designer. Floe Designer is the unified designer for any SAP communication. With Floe, you can build templates for output by email, HTML, PDF or SMS. You can replace legacy technologies like SAP Script, Smart Forms and Adobe Forms with something modern, flexible and easy to use. Floe Designer is a web app that can be launched from Fiori Launchpad. As an SAP add-on, it sits within your existing SAP landscape. It consists of 5 parts or views, and we're going to briefly review each one. We'll begin with the library view. The library stores your collection of reusable content blocks, fragments of an output document that can be reused in multiple output types. These might include marketing banners, header and footer sections, sections with common links. Anything really that might be used in more than one type of output. You can edit a block from the library using a rich text editor. You can manage settings and properties for each block, and view the Where Used list to see which templates the block is used in. Next we'll look at the attachment repository. The attachment repository stores files that we may want to send along with emails as attachments. Floe supports static attachments, which are files from the repository, and dynamic attachments, which are files generated at runtime by Floe based on output templates. You can easily upload a file to the repository to make it available to be an attachment for any Floe email. New with Floe 2.20 was the image repository. This is a cloud-based store of images that can be used in any content block. Floe supports both embedded images or linked images. The image repository is used for linked images. We pull together library content, images and attachments into document templates, and we manage the templates in the Manage Emails view. Any Floe document could be an email, and so each template is given an email type created within an email category, which is just a means of grouping similar templates. Although we manage the templates as email types, in many cases they might be used as PDF, HTML or SMS and not used as the body of an email. We can create new templates directly in the designer or maintain existing templates. Each document template is made up from a number of content blocks. These may be library blocks, rich text, separators or HTML code. Each text block is edited using the rich text editor and has properties and settings. We can also add business logic to every block to dynamically determine whether to include or exclude it at runtime, based on data from SAP. Each document template contains email settings, PDF settings and attachment settings. For every document, you can translate to a new language, preview or test. The test tool is the 5th part of Floe Designer. Here we can trigger output from the designer without the need for back-end data. We can add variable data and preview or send by email or SMS. We can use Floe for internal or external process notification, for SAP outputs, for mass communication and for on-demand document generation. With Floe, you can transform every type of SAP communication.